pipe bombs add a new dimension to the threat. We asked Van Romero of New Mexico Tech University about that.
In a device like this, you don't have enough room to pack it with shrapnel. So the pipe itself is the shrapnel.
While a pressure cooker bomb is packed with shrapnel, in a pipe bomb, there's not enough space. The pipe itself is the shrapnel. But less space means more pressure.
It's smaller, so there's less gunpowder there, but it does a better job of confining the pressure. In the pipe bomb, the pressures can build up a little bit higher and create higher velocity.
Stand by, charge.
The best view is up close with a high-speed camera.
This big piece, look how that tumbles as it comes out. I mean, that really is lethal.
The slow motion reveals that although the fireball is smaller, the shrapnel from the pipe bomb is moving faster than the pressure cooker bomb. But with less shrapnel, the pipe bomb does less overall damage.
The larger the device, the more lethal. But the danger with this is it's easy to conceal.
The pipe bomb may have less impact, but it is much easier to hide.